Hi everyone, this is Alexandra, your mindfulness coach, and this is the Discovery Series. Discovery Series is a program of webinars which are themed based on 4 different pillars of well-being: elite sports psychology, positive psychology, life coaching, and mindfulness. On this series, experts from Urban Yoga Lab are going to show you mindfulness and psychology tips and strategies that you can implement on your day-to-day life to upgrade your well-being. We are going to break down this for you into specific habits that you can do on a weekly basis in an easy-to-understand way. We are going to show you mindfulness and psychology techniques that you can actually do on a day-to-day life that will help you and set you up for a life of success. So come and join us and let your body and mind to thank you for that later.